What's good, YouTube? It's your boy D Money, and I'm back finally with another video. Today we getting rid of that one wheel peel. You know what I'm saying? This is not gonna be a tutorial. It's just me going through the process of doing it myself. I'm somewhat mechanically inclined, but at the same time, it's like I've never done this before, so it's gonna be kind of rough. It might take me a minute, but I'm taking y'all along on that journey. And we're gonna see how this stuff goes, and hopefully I can get it done fast. But if not, I mean, I'm gonna take my time because I don't want to mess nothing up. So right now we on the way to where I'm gonna be working on it, and yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated and show y'all the process of me installing that 309. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. So we already started. We got the exhaust off. The diff is already loose and stuff, but we had to take the exhaust off because the axles were in the way, or the exhaust was in the way of taking this down. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna shift it that way and then that way or whatever. So everything is disassembled already, and we waiting. About to put that bitch in. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna keep y'all updated when it's bolted up. Alright, I know I'm an asshole because I got them holding the diff, but it's down, it's out. We ended up taking the whole exhaust off. So I pried this axle out already. About to pry that one out, and this motherfucker gonna be out of here. So alright, we got the axles out of the diff. So now we're about to drop it down. Yup. Alright, y'all. Everything's buttoned up. We changed the fluid. I'm gonna waste some on the floor. We changed the fluid at the additive. We just locking down the drive shaft to the diff, and then we good to go. So 309 is installed.
The next day.
What's good, YouTube? It's a new day. Differential is installed. The old differential and the axles, I didn't use the axles that I had with it, but the old differential's right there. It's in my car, stinking it up because the old oil, like the old gear oil, was burnt. It needed to be replaced, but you know, I haven't had this car that long to do all that. So, you know what I'm saying? 262 is out, 309 is in. So I'm excited. I haven't really done anything with it for real yet because, you know, just haven't. But you know what I'm saying, it's done. So content regarding that coming soon. But right now I'm about to go and drop that off so it's not stinking my car up because it smells burnt. But I'm gonna give y'all a little startup, not cold, just warm. You know what I'm saying? Car looking good besides, you know, my little cosmetic stuff. She sound good. This car drives totally different now. Like, it's not the same car at all, in my opinion. It seems like it makes a pretty drastic difference. Like, before you had to force the car to slide, now it's crazy.
as the way it, like, the gearing is, I feel like when I'm just like chilling at a higher gear, yeah, it sits at a higher gear. Like before, going 70 or no, going 80 in 8th gear would sit below, it'll sit below 2K RPMs, but now I feel like they're like closer, like it rides higher up, so it's like more at 2K, where it wasn't that high before. It used to be at like probably like 1700 RPMs. So it makes a difference when it comes to the way the car is geared. You don't need a tune or nothing like that. It's just how the car is now. The 309 gears versus the 262. The way it pulls, I don't got no mods done to the engine, so performance mods, nah, I don't got none. So it pulls the same to me. I just probably get a better launch, like a better 0 to 60. After 60, I feel like it's kind of the same, but I haven't pushed the car too hard because I wanted to let the additive settle into like the fluid and stuff. So I haven't really done too much with it. I haven't really spun it, or I haven't done none of that, nothing. So, you know what I'm saying? But everything's cool. I don't hear no noises I'm not supposed to or anything like that, so everything's good. But I do like messing with them paddles. Y'all hear all that wind. Hey, stay in your lane, nigga. Blinker is crazy. I'm hearing like a whine noise. I don't know if y'all hear that. Let me know in the comments if y'all can hear that noise that I'm hearing. It's like a slight whine. missed the exit. Damn, y'all see all that traffic though? Dang, I wonder what happened. Cause it wasn't traffic on the highway, so how is the traffic there? That don't make sense. Why do cars do that? They want to jump all the way into the